Welcome to Looking at Legal Stuff. Today we have a review hearing for a couple's divorce where the judge apologizes to Mom for accusing her of forging Dad's name on real estate documents at a previous hearing, now that there's been a criminal investigation that has proven it wasn't her. So who did sign the paperwork? Let's find out.
We will go on the record in the matter 22 FA 45, in re the marriage of Timothy Ainley and Rachel Hess. Appearances are we do have Ms. Hess appearing in person without counsel. We have Mr. Ainley appearing in person without counsel. This is a status conference, but for that the court set on its own. I do need to address certain things with both of you. Ms. Ainley, you currently owe $810 in guardian ad litem fees. Mr. Ainley, you owe $795 in guardian ad litem fees. Oh no, you have paid. Wait, no, you still owe $795. The last time you paid was in August. I'll start with you, Ms. Hess. Are you still working?
I am.
I'm glad to hear that. And so when will you be able to get a good set payment schedule going?
I can start paying on my next check.
All right. And can you do at least $100 a month?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
If you can pay it off sooner, I would do that, because otherwise, we could issue a warrant and I don't want you sitting in jail. Okay. So if you can pay off more than $100 a month, do that. So then you'll get me off your back. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Ainley, same to you. You still owe $795. Are you currently employed?
I am. I started my own business.
Oh, excellent. Okay. So are you able to pay that off, or do you need a payment plan as well?
I need a payment plan as well. I made a small payment in August to at least make an effort. As of right now, my business is building and starting to grow, and I'm getting busier. So, I would like to kind of maybe keep it at like $50 a month until
$100 a month.
$100 a month.
$100 a month.
I'll pay $100 today.
All right. That sounds good. I'm comfortable with that. Then we can hopefully get this paid off within the year. And then you'll have me off your back as well. Okay, so there's another issue why I wanted you all to come in front of me. Ms. Hess, I owe you an apology. All right? Because I think it was last week or the week before, it was brought to my attention that an investigation was conducted as to the signature on the mortgage documents and those papers. And it was brought to my attention that through that investigation, you did not sign those documents, that in fact, the real estate agent did very, very unethically and very, very illegally. And she put you in the hot spot. And at the time of the hearing, I had no other evidence or information other than the fact that it wasn't Mr. Ainley's signature, and that you were looking at benefiting from the sale and from that, and it did look like your handwriting. And so it appeared at that time that you signed those documents. You did not. So that is an issue for you and you, Mr. Ainley, to take up with the Real Estate Commission, because that is not only unethical, that is very, very illegal. So Ms. Hess, now that it's been brought to my attention that through the investigation, and it was a very thorough investigation from law enforcement, and the district attorney looked at it as well, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
All right.
That's very good, Judge, because, it makes me feel better that she wouldn't do something like that. And I'm sure the court can understand why I would think that,
Oh, and why I would think that,
Absolutely.
in having all of the signatures and all of the things that I compared. Mr. Ainley, were you aware of that fact? Were you notified that Ms. Hess did not sign that document?
She told me that, but at the time, her word was credible to me at the time. I just looked at the document and I received all of the payoff requests from
Law enforcement didn't tell you?
I tried to talk to the DA's office. I tried to talk to everyone.
But I'm letting you know right now, through the investigation, it was determined that Ms. Hess did not commit that unethical action and that illegal action.
Well, I'm
Okay.
glad. I'm really
May I
glad
say
she didn't.
something
You
or
may.
ask something? So what is the ruling about the house then?
Well, that still remains.
I have one question too on that. Rachel was court ordered to sign a quick claims agreement, a quick claims deed on December 30th. That hasn't been signed yet. I've got back taxes. I'm trying to get the house refinanced so I can pull it out of before it goes into a tax foreclosure.
I can talk to you right now about that, but it would need to be a formal motion in front of the court. The court can't sua sponte without having a motion, make any kind of
gotcha.
order or ruling.
Okay.
But Ms. Hess, it was the court's order that you signed the
I don't
quitclaim
know
deed.
how to do it.
What?
I don't know where to go.
I've
He would
got
need to prepare one so that you could sign it.
my attorney, Matt Lane at Lane Law Offices out of Spooner, not Spooner, but Hayward. They've got it all drawn up. They're just trying to figure out how to get her served the papers to get it signed. So
And is there still a restraining order and injunction? Because wasn't there one recently?
There is a no contact for
Yes.
him out of Polk County.
For you
Yeah,
both? But I could have sworn that not too long ago that there was a no contact that the court entered again.
there was, Judge. It was a condition of bond release. We had to spat at the house and I was
That's
arrested.
correct.
Yes,
Well, more than a spat because it turned into criminal charges.
it did.
So, and, okay, and then in July, it was dismissed. Okay, so there may be a no contact criminally still. I'm off the top of my head, I don't know where those criminal cases
Well,
are.
The bond stipulations were that there's no degrading contact, no, physical abusive contact. But I really need to talk to Rachel because I get the kids every other week, and it would be really good if we could at least contact each other over the phone in regards to the children.
I'm reading the bond right now, and this is what it says. It does say the no contact with Ms. Hess and or her residents. Anyone who was involved in those actions that day, no contact. Again, that's not something I can address here in this hearing. I would need a written motion or document or something along those lines. And Ms. Hess, since you are the victim, and so are, I believe, a couple of your children, you would need to go to the district attorney's office and talk to the victim witness coordinator because she needs to know, and they won't even ask the court to amend it to have no abusive contact or no contact unless it's only about the children and or I could put in the mortgage issue, okay? But I can't do anything right now here. I know it looks like I can, but I'm a one-judge county. I wear multiple hats, and in this hat, it's the family hat, and I don't have any motion in front of me,
Yes.
okay?
Well, and for an example, like the kids' school pictures came in, I ordered them a couple of weeks ago, and I went and got frames. I got framed pictures for her, but I have to take them through my little children at school and have them take them home to her. So it's kind of, it's just I don't like my
Here's the
children being
thing.
in the middle.
I'm not going to talk about the criminal matter because I can't, because we do not have your attorney. We do not have the district attorney here. But what I can say is please just act like adults. Just be adults. And then we wouldn't be in this predicament. And you have so many, you have so many children. You have, can't recall how many children you have, 4 together. But you have other children, Ms. Hess, outside of Mr. Ainley. They're involved too, and they're impacted significantly by both of your actions and both of your conduct. Stay sober, Mr. Ainley and Ms. Hess, and just continue to strive for a better life and move forward. Ms. Hess, I'm so proud of you that you still have your job and you got your driver's license and you're doing so great. I'm so proud of you, and I want to see you continue to do much better, okay? But again, as a court, I do have to protect you as well, okay? So that's where we're at here today, and I just wanted to let you both know what I just recently found out. Either, like I said, it was either last week or the week before. Once I found out, I immediately went to my assistant and I said, you schedule a hearing, please. So, okay?
Thank you.
All
thank
right.
you.